I have my 26-inch mountain bike, 26 room mountain bike, Gary Fisher Monterre, which currently have the Specialized Fatboy tire, 1" by 1 1/4. They are with age pretty much dried out and done. So I am going to replace them, which I just got, the Continental Sport Contact 26 by 1.6, and with a little wider tire should give me a softer ride, still achieving a good rolling resistance, which these are rated much better than what I currently have anyways. So I'm going to flip these out and true the tires real quick, or the rims, and see how it works out.